Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen if you'd like to learn more about my website. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar just keeps on pushing. Made another significant higher low last night in the Asian session and made another really nice push up. I still think this whole move up is either a wave A or a wave one. I personally think it's likely a wave one. Now, we could at any point start a very significant pullback for a wave two, which would be a correction to the whole move up. But it doesn't have to happen now. It could potentially go down, make another higher low, and just keep on going up, which is why I would definitely still be recommending longs unless price does give you a significant break of structure. If price gives you a significant break of structure, then that is where we'll turn me into a seller after the break of structure, because more than likely we would get a pretty big push down for wave A, and then we get a correction for wave B, and another push down for wave C, making some sort of an ABC correction or other Elliot wave corrective pattern for a wave two. But like I said at the beginning, it does not have to happen now, and it potentially could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows for now if it wants to, especially looking at the US dollar index potentially being in a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.